Meaning of gait.
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 Gait. Gait refers to the particular way a person walks. It includes the pattern, speed, and rhythm of their steps, as well as any deviations or abnormalities. A person's gait can be affected by various factors such as age, injury, disease, or disability, and can provide valuable information for clinicians in diagnosing and treating patients. The analysis of gait is an important aspect of biomechanics, rehabilitation medicine, and sports science. Accurate measurement and assessment of gait can help improve mobility and function, reduce pain and discomfort, and enhance overall quality of life.